Teen Grind, how you living? It's Kids of the Kid, and I'm back with another reaction video. The video I'm for the react to is from NemoAsPhuck. This is called Diamonds Dancing in the Sound of Depression. I reacted to one of his songs before, the one he did with Jay Slade. Go check this out. And also, you find my channel first time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this on your social medias. Follow me on my Instagram, @KidReadyKid. Comment down below and let me know what you want me to react to next. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
Yeah, I got diamonds, and they dancing. See 'em dancing. She's so fine. Yeah, I got diamonds, and they dancing. See 'em dancing. She's so fine. In her line, right on time. She's out of weed, but on the block. She kinda cute and kinda small. She wanna love me, but baby I'm hurting, and I'm so broken. Maybe fix me, last girl I love fucking killed me, but I'm fine, at least while I'm high. So someone come and save me from it. No, I ain't fine, stop assuming I might just go mad and lose it. I ain't bad, so I guess I'm choosing. If I choose to die, would you be alright or be by my side? Tell me it'll be fine, cause I hate this life. Even though you're by my side, I just wanna die. But I love you, and I won't do a thing to hurt you. So I'll be here tonight just for you. I just hate it when I'm living in the hate. Pound up in the basement. Yeah, I ain't got no patience. Wow, she gotta save me. She drive me crazy when she just plays. Yeah, she's out of weed, but on the block. She kinda cute and kinda small. She wanna love me. She wanna love me. She's out of weed, but on the block. She kinda cute and kinda small. She wanna love me, but baby I'm hurting. Oh, God, baby I'm hurting. Oh, yeah, I got diamonds, and they dancing. See 'em dancing. She's so fine. Yeah, I got diamonds, and they dancing. See 'em dancing. She's so fine. In her line, right on time. She's out of weed, but on the block. She kinda cute and kinda small. She wanna love me, but baby I'm hurting, and I'm so broken. Maybe fix me, last girl I love fucking killed me, but I'm fine, at least while I'm high. So someone come and save me from it. No, I ain't fine, stop assuming I might just go mad and lose it. I ain't bad, so I guess I'm choosing. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, that was Diamonds Dancing in the Sound of Depression by NemoAsPhuck. I thought the beat was cool. I thought the hook was decent. I think what he's talking about is, I guess he means like being in a relationship with somebody you're not sure who loves you, or you hope they love you but you're not sure about it. NemoAsPhuck, comment down below. Let me know what you mean by the song. Anyway, though, that's in this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check us out on social media. Remember, every season is grind season, is underground takeover. Let's get it.